those of you who've been following me on Instagram, you've noticed I've been posting a lot of vegan things on my story, me hanging out in my garden and just being vegan. Well, yes, if you're wondering, I did make the transition to a vegan lifestyle about 8 months ago, and I can honestly say that I will never go back to a standard American diet. I feel amazing inside and outside, and mentally and physically, and I want people to feel exactly how I feel. So this is why I decided to create this video, a What I Eat in a Day vegan edition, because a lot of you have been asking, what do you eat as a vegan? What can I eat? I don't know what to make. Well, this video is going to break down some awesome recipes I live by and that I love, my boyfriend loves, and it's just good. So just watch. Just watch the video, and then you tell me in the comments down below if you're gonna try out any of these recipes. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm just putting in my Starbucks coffee. I like the Pike Place. It's a medium roast. So I just put that into the Keurig. And then I'm going to get my favorite vegan creamer. It is the So Delicious coconut creamer in the flavor French vanilla. So this stuff is really good. I highly recommend this creamer. It's the best one that I've tried so far. And the consistency isn't so bad either. So it's not like super thin like how almond milk usually is, which is why I really like this one. So every morning after I make my coffee, I like to come outside and just sit in nature and just listen to the birds, and also look at my amazing garden that my boyfriend and I started together. It's this awesome raised bed. I've always wanted a raised bed because I'm obsessed with growing my own food and just knowing like where my food comes from. Being vegan, it's perfect to have your own garden because it feels good to grow your own food, but also to have food ready at hand in your backyard. I finish my coffee, I like to have a fruit in the morning, and my go-to lately has been bananas because I love bananas, and they're also really good for you, especially if you're on your period, for my ladies, because they help with cramps and stuff. So it's a great go-to snack in the morning for me, and it's just super easy because all you have to do is just peel the banana. So I'm gonna eat this and then make the rest of my breakfast. So after I eat my banana, my appetite opens up a little bit, so I like to get in a pretty big breakfast, and I'm gonna show you how I make my vegan pizza bagel bites. They're actually super easy and they're really yummy too. So let's get into the tutorial, shall we? Hey Google, set a timer for 15 minutes.
All right, 15 minutes, starting now.
Afternoon, so I'm gonna make myself some lunch. I'm going to whip up that cashew dressing that I was telling you guys about earlier and show you how I put together this awesome raw foods salad. It's been a few hours since I had my salad and I'm getting a little hungry, so I like to incorporate raw snacks for my snacking. So I'm going to have some celery, cucumber, and hummus. Hummus is a really great way to incorporate the raw foods into your diet because I know a lot of people don't really like to eat raw foods by themselves. And I'm getting hungry. I'm sure he's hungry. We're vegan, so we're hungry all the time. And I'm gonna whip us up some falafels because that's something new that we've been making and it's hella good. Right, babe?
Awesome.
So, you like the vegan bagel bites, don't you? You're gonna try them? That's what I thought. If you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below and tell me if you're gonna try out a recipe, if you're thinking about going vegan, what other vegan videos you'd like to see from me, or just videos in general. Also, follow me on Instagram if you're not following me already, and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already, and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I post next. I also have a vlog channel with my boyfriend, so go ahead and check out that channel. And I will see you guys next week with a new video. Bye!